everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into MetaTrader 5 broker account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To log into your broker's account on MetaTrader 5, launch Open MetaTrader 5 application. You will be able to see the main homepage of MetaTrader 5 on your screen. Tap on the hamburger menu appearing at the top left, and in the expanded menu, tap on Manage Account at the top. Click on the plus icon at the top right hand corner and find a broker you'd like to log into. After typing in a broker's name, go ahead and select the broker from the list and then type in the login ID for that particular broker and then type in your password on the next field. Select your server from the drop down and finally tap on Login to log into your broker's account on MetaTrader 5. Some brokers may require additional authentication methods such as two-factor authentication. If prompted, follow the instructions to complete the authentication and you will be able to access your broker's account through MetaTrader 5. Once you are logged in, you will be able to view your balance, trade history, open positions, and place new trades. That is how you should be able to log into MetaTrader 5 broker account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.